All right, Hiro-san, another dish. We tried it. What kind of crab is this called? What do you call it?
They call it Yashigani.
Yashigani. These things are huge. Some of them are even bigger. Look at this guy. They almost look like tarantulas. Where's the 88? The number, the one that's 88.
8,800 yen.
Yeah, 88. So you multiply that by, oh, right here. Can they take it out? Can you see it? Oh yeah, look. Let's take a look. Wow, these things look, see the two little eyes in the center there? Okay, so lucky number 88. Right.
It's either one due to the steamer.
Oh, steamer boiled only. Let's boil it. Yeah. Well, Hiro, we got 88 for your lucky number. It's only right?
I think so.
Yeah, they had more, they had less. 88 is a perfect number.
Yeah. Actually, 88 actually discount.
You're right.
They have a steakhouse.
Steakhouse 88, I've seen that.
Yeah.
How about open it up?
No. Actually, not yet.
It can come out.
No, this thing is not coming yet, but okay.
Don't know how long it's been in captivity. Hopefully not too long.
Yashigani is, I never had it before.
You never had this before?
Yeah, I got so many different type of crabs, but this one is pretty kind of weird looks. Maybe after isopod, you know. So we just order steam. But I guess on the steam is just the whole thing's coming in here.
Yeah.
So I have to
break it piece by piece.
Eat, you know.
All right.
So that's it.
定肉2個カット。
これあんたがやる。でもここはあんたが割らんと割り切れん。
おい、ヤシガニね。
Nice.
もうたまね。
Hey.
Okay.
All right. Finished product, just basically steamed. Take a look at this. Hirsan, you never had this before. First time. Looks interesting, huh?
Yeah.
You're excited.
Look at this thing.
Was it any sauce or anything?
I think it's salted already. So. Yeah.
So this was 8,800 yen, huh? That's about divided by 148.
48.
How's the meat? Does it taste like regular blue crab or something?
Yeah, pretty much same as like regular crab.
Regular crab, right? Okay.
It's nothing smell anything, you know.
Yeah, so fresh.
Sometimes crab live in the, you know, the area. Some of the kind of sandy, right?
Yeah.
Like smell.
Right.
This is not like that.
Doesn't have any of that fishy flavor.
Yeah, that's good. I think she put some salt when they're boiling, right? You saw that?
Season, yeah.
It's a good. That's good, actually.
Good. First time.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Take a look at this. Oh, that delicious part here.
Yeah.
Best part, huh?
The crab.
We call it crab butter.
I want to take out this. Oh yes. Good.
Oh,
This
look at
one.
that part. That part's really good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Wow, a lot of, why don't you call that? It's not really meat, but a lot of that stuff you can enjoy. You know? Wow, look at that.
Very good.
Another part, another huge area. Look at that.
Very good.
All right, now to the best part.
Yeah.
It's part of the body.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, maybe this is better shouldn't eat.
Huh?
This is looks like a parasite.
It looks like parasites, right?
Yeah. I'm a little looks a little gross.
Gross. All right, here.
Yeah, not too many. All the green stuff. Like that.
Okay. That looks good to you. Oh, you need it?
Little gross.
Come on, Hiro. You're using the
It's a
isopods.
little gross.
You don't need to worry about it, Hiro. Your fans want to see you eat, Hiro. Come on.
Just a little bit, okay?
Okay, just a little bit. No. Go slower so I can film you eating it. Okay. What does it taste like?
It's a crab, you know, in the blue crab you open when you open up.
Yeah.
Also, they have a similar taste, like we call it kani miso.
Okay. Oh, yeah, kani miso.
That part.
Okay.
It tastes like. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, tastes like kani miso.